How to reset home screen layout on Android phone. Open the settings on your device. Find the option for apps and tap on it. Tap on the option See All Apps. Now scroll down and find the default launcher of your device. For the Google phones, it can be Pixel Launcher. For Samsung devices, it might be One UI Home. Find the launcher according to the device that you're using. For me, it is Quick Step. So I'm just going to tap on this option Quick Step. After you do that, tap on the option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Clear Storage. Now tap on the option OK in order to permanently delete the app's data. Once the app data is deleted, all the files and settings will also be deleted. After that, your home screen layout will be reset. Like this, you can reset the home screen layout on Android phone. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.